Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to quickly reply to a message on WhatsApp web chat on your PC with the new update. It's super easy and convenient, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you open your WhatsApp web account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat that contains the message you want to reply to. Next, hover your mouse over the message you want to reply to. You'll see a small arrow appear, so go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select the reply option. Now that you've clicked on reply, a text box will appear at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you can type out your reply. Take your time crafting the perfect response, then hit the send button to deliver your message. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a message on WhatsApp web chat on your PC. It's a quick and efficient way to keep the conversation going without skipping a beat. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to give this new feature a try the next time you're chatting on WhatsApp web. See you next time.